Thanks everybody for tuning in. I just wanted to show you, I made a new topper with some new products that I've never tried before. They were a little bit more expensive. I think I spent a little over $200 to make this. So this is just showing you what it looks like. Mind you, I did no makeup and I just got out of the shower, so my hair underneath isn't even done. It looks like crap. But this is what the end result was, and the color, it doesn't have to be your exact color of your own hair. I do have bio hair that I do clip it onto, but that's just showing you that. And I'm going to actually start taking it down now so I can show you that, what that looks like. And then I will just go through each product. And it's basically the same that I've done with the other toppers that I've done in the past. It's the same procedure. I'll leave the link below if you need to follow that a little bit further into detail. It doesn't look pretty underneath by any means. I used a tan cap this time so that it could mimic more of a scalp-like appearance on the top. And that is what you're going to see underneath. It's definitely not pretty underneath, but who cares for the price, and you're not even going to see it, so it doesn't matter. So that is just that. So if you would like to see more of this and the products that I use, then just keep on watching.